Hey everybody, Jacob here at ePoolSupply. Today we have Pentair's brand new IntelliChlor salt cell. We are super excited about this. Stay tuned and we're gonna go over this thing. And we're back. So I have the IntelliChlor Plus I40. So it's awesome, guys. It's the Plus 40. So the IntelliChlor Plus 40. Pentair's redone this thing completely. We are actually very happy with it. They've included more in the box now. So something that they're giving you for free is a cell cleaning stand. So you no longer have to buy the expensive cell cleaning stand, the aftermarket ones, whatever it is. But this thing actually has the little tri-wings on it that'll hold it up. You screw it onto your salt cell and it stands up all by itself, which is great, which I'm probably smelling it off for this video. Is this thing upside down? Nope, that's exactly how I want it. So they give you two unions. These are the exact same unions that you guys are used to on the old school IC40s. So when I say old school IC40, this is a direct retrofit for the old school IC40s. So everybody's used to this bad boy. So this thing has been a pain for the last couple of years. The technology is old. We were looking forward for an update. We got the update. We're so happy about it. So this guy, gone. Discontinued. Can't even get it anymore. So again, you have this. This will screw into the exact same place. You don't have to plumb anything. You don't have to plumb a single thing. It just unscrews from the old one. And this one screws right in there. And same connector, same power transformer. Nothing else has changed. Just the cell. So let's dive into a little bit more. They have given you a full digital screen on the front. Pulls up and you can press buttons, do whatever you want. Tells you salinity, tells you any errors that are happening. It'll tell you if it's working, if it's not working, flow, the whole 9 yards. It tells you everything inside there. And I believe if you have this thing hooked up to your transformer, your transformer hooked up to your IntelliCenter, I believe you can get a full diagnostic report on your IntelliCenter, which is even cooler. Which I believe that's the case anyways, because then you control your output, your chlorinating output from your IntelliCenter and everything else. So again, nothing's really changed on the actual automation side, the power side. It's just everything about this cell has changed. So the biggest problem with this old school one is the flow sensor would go bad. And most people don't know how to change them out. There's little tabs you can pop off here. We'll do that in a different video. Unscrew a flow sensor, pop back in. It'll give you misconstrued error codes. So it'd say like low salts, which really meant low temperature, or other different stuff. But now this will tell you exactly what's going on at all times. Tells you how long the cell's been running for. This thing is awesome, guys. And it works really, really well. They have multiple sizes for this thing. So they have a 15, they have a 20, I believe. They have a 30, they have a 40 and a 60. The 40 and the 60 are this tall. The 30 and below are about half the size, but the plates are just more condensed on the 30. In my personal opinion, it's almost the same thing as the 40, but they give you that adapter plate. We actually have a video on the 30, which shows the adapter plate. So it actually lines up exactly the same. So if you have a current 40 and you're looking to go to 30, you don't have to plumb anything either anyways. But yeah, so Pentair did a really, really solid job on this thing. These things are flying off the shelf. They are a solid chlorinator for you guys. We highly recommend it. Yeah. I don't really have anything else on this thing because this thing is solid. You guys test it out, try it out. We are huge fans. Any questions, comments, leave them down in the comments below. Like, subscribe. We really appreciate you guys watching our videos, guys. I'm Jacob with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching our videos. Be sure to like and subscribe down below. We have a lot more content coming up. I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. See you next time.